What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GRI Technology. We are inside Ejisu, inside Bow Race in the Ashanti region. We did a beautiful CCTV camera installation, 10 cameras for our client that allows the client to operate, to see everything that goes on site. You can see and then you can hear. The cameras also have they have inbuilt microphone where anything that goes on site, he can actually hear everything. So at night it comes colored, and then daytime, whether day or night, he can hear everything that goes on site. Okay, now our cameras also have what we call smart motion detection. It's able to tell whether it's human or it's vehicle, and it actually reduces nuisance alert on your phone. So when somebody comes to your house, you get an alert whether it's human or it's vehicle. So I'm going to show you the cameras. Very neat and very clean. We took our time to deliver very great wonderful work for our customer, who is also not in Ghana, and put on this beautiful house. Guys, let's go, let me show you.